Hey everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I just wanted to share some new Julie Nutting dolls that I'm just so excited to share. And I got them, I think there was only 3, I'm not sure, but I got them on a cherry on top. And I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh, when I saw this on Facebook, I was like, oh my gosh, I really like them, and I don't know why that these just spoke out to me, but I'm just trying to get this out. Okay, so this one is Mandy, and oh my gosh, she is adorable. Look at her. So she's hula hooping. There's a word play, and then this says, if there is such thing as magic, then it is playing in the warm sunshine on a summer day. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I love it. Okay, then the next one, this is Carter and Carly, and Carter must be on a swing. I thought he was on a floaty, to tell you the truth. I guess this is like, maybe you should flip him around. So he must be swinging on one of those tire swings, I'm assuming. And she's just sitting there, crossed her legs, and I don't know. I love all that. It's so cute. Oh boy, let's play. Rough, tough, and sweet. So you get how many? You get 8 stamps. And I thought these were clear, but I'm so glad that they're not. And this one has 8 stamps as well. Oh, cool. Love that doll. Oh my god, look at that doll. Isn't she adorable? I love this. And then this is Katrina, and she has, well, she's jumping rope. And look at this hopscotch. Oh, how cool. And look at the bird. Oh my gosh, I love this set. And this one says, to find time to play is, oh my gosh, I can't read it. Huh. To find time to play is a treasure indeed. Oh my gosh, I love her, and she's, jumping rope, and she, you can, oh my gosh, I love this. I love these sets. So this is my new dolls that I just bought from a cherry on top. They're not, I just wanted to share, they're not sponsoring this or anything like that. I just wanted to share these new dolls from Julie Nutting. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.